Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Find ways to relax and reduce stress, such as massage or meditation. Resist the urge to overpluck your eyebrows or use harsh chemicals near them. Protect your brows with a dab of Vaseline if you need to use hair bleach or dye, tretinoin, retin A, hydroquinone, or glycolic acids.
Let's help you make your mark.
The most commonly used oil to encourage eyebrow growth is castor oil. Castor oil, which comes from the nut of the castor tree, is rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, which are known to encourage hair growth and repair damaged hair follicles.
Let's help you make your mark.
Sadly, Vaseline isn't a magic elixir that's going to grow your eyebrows until they look as full as Cara Delevingne's iconic pair. Vaseline can also give your brows a fuller appearance. The thick jelly can coat each strand, thereby making it appear thicker, and helping it to stay in place.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.